Alright, well, firstly, congratulations to the entire family. But I would definitely want to know from you, what is that one thing that is very different here at direction classes?
See, I would suggest you, if suppose I have to tell you in one sentence, is the approach. The way she takes interest in each and every student, it's awesome, it's marvelous. It's real remarkable.
So that's personal attention which is very rare that you get.
Absolutely, absolutely. So the difference between the other class and the direction class is this particular aspect. And I would like to narrate an instance. She said, if you have any query, I am available 24/7. And I remember during the exam, we had certain queries. And she said, I am available on WhatsApp. You can call me anytime. I am available on WhatsApp also. And then
she doesn't feel that her privacy is being invaded or something.
She said, I am available. You give me a buzz, I would be always. Whatever your query is, you would have the reply from me.
And I'm sure you've experienced the same thing as well. It wasn't just her saying this thing, but she's actually been a woman of her words.
In fact, we experienced for almost 2 months. Right? January, February, and March.
That was very crucial, and she made her write so many papers. It was like practicing to find out where she's lacking. And she went through each and every paper correction. She pointed out the mistakes and she taught her, revised the whole thing, which was, that led to 100% clarity.
See, difference between the other classes. They also take a lot of tests.
Yeah.
They also have a lot of these practice sessions for the past papers. The difference between the other class and the direction is whatever mistakes he made. Okay, she said, okay, this is the right answer. You should learn, understand. So other classes, they just say, okay, this is wrong, this is right. But they will not pinpoint your mistake. They will not tell you where you are making mistake.
What exactly is right and what exactly is wrong. Exactly. That makes a difference.
Yes. So that was absolutely. I mean, we were really amazed with her. And she's an excellent human being. See, apart from a teacher, we have a lot of teachers we have met, and they are excellent teachers. But then she's an excellent human being. Very, very down to earth persona. Very, very easily approachable person. Okay. It's not like I'm a teacher, I'm a boss. Okay, so and please do not cross your limit. She's very good.
That's the best part of it, seriously. Let's hear, what would you like to say on this?
Yeah, she stood by me through through the whole year. I was a little late. I joined in June. Chemistry. It was like really burdened me, and so she made it so easy for me. She made mnemonics, she made poems, and she made us learn all the formulas so easily. It was like fun learning the whole year.
Oh wow, that's fantastic. That's super. Well, thank you so very much, and thanks a lot for trusting us, and keep trusting us in future as well.
Yeah.
All the way best to you, right?
Thank you very much. Thanks. 3 cheers to you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.